Hi, welcome to this video where I will show you how you can set up FAQ page. So let's get started. First of all, log in into your Shopify store and then from the left menu bar, click on the online store button. After that, click on the pages button. And now you have to click on the add page button. After that, click on the save button. Now from the left bar, again click on navigation. After selecting the navigation option, click on the footer menu button and now click on the add menu button. So now you have to select type FAQ and now click on the add button. After that, open your Shopify app store and search for the product tab. After searching for product tab, click on the install app button. The Power App will open. Set up accordingly the shipping policy, return policy. Select where you want to see the FAQ page and then select the position. So that's how you will set up FAQ page. That's all for this video. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.